The Grimace milkshake is delish. It is just my only wish. I want to try it and see if I enjoy. Hopefully McDonald's might give me a toy. Today I'm going to show you guys the secret you need to know when making the Grimace shake.
The prophecy is true.
No, seriously though. So the Grimace milkshake is celebrating Grimace's birthday. Happy birthday, Grimace. For the month of June. So everyone's kind of been going crazy about it on TikTok. Like that. And, well, there's kind of mixed reviews, I must say so myself. Why don't we go to McDonald's first, see if we can try to get it. And if not, I'm going to teach you guys how to make it. Alright, so we're going to head to McDonald's now, see if at least we could get the cup that we need, like to put the shake in. And also, see if we can get them to give us a Grimace shake.
How may I help you?
Hi, can I get one Grimace shake, please?
We're no longer serving the Grimace shake.
Oh, no.
Our shake machine is down.
Oh, okay. Alright, thank you. I guess no Grimace shake or any shake for that matter. Lost out on a not very loyal customer because I don't really go to McDonald's. But I do want the Grimace shake. You know, McDonald's, their shake machine is always down, man. The frozen fruit section. Ugh, don't want anything. Not being safe. Alright, so we got everything we need. Let's make the Grimace shake. Wild blueberries. Wild blackberries. That is Grimace's blood. 1 cup of frozen blackberries. Ah! I got stuff. Done with those. Whoa! Save the blackberries! 1 cup of blueberries. 1 cup of milk. Spill, don't 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 spill. 1 cup of milk, plus a little bit extra if you spill. Don't cry over spilled milk, right? That's what they say. Blender on. 3, 2, 1. So this is the step that everybody misses. So we're just gonna pour this Grimace blood into our strainer. We're just gonna strain it through. Now that we have our pulp, we can open the ice cream. Ice cream. Yum. So then you want to do like, you know, depending on how much ice cream you like, about 3 good scoops. Once you've added your ice cream, just add that delicious Grimace blood that you strained through. Pop the lid again, and we go super blend. And now we can enjoy our Grimace shake. Mmm.